The Sonic Alert SB300SS alarm clock with super shaker bed vibrator and large display is easy to read and ideal for home use. Designed to provide years of use, this quality-made alarm clock offers peace of mind for those who are hard of hearing or simply hard to wake. The SB300SS offers many features such as unique 113 decibel extra loud alarm with adjustable tone and volume control, extra large 1.8-inch display with a 5-level dimmer function to help you sleep sounder. The SS12 VW Super Shaker Bed Vibrating Unit will wake you silently while others sleep. Dual time 12 and 24-hour time formats. User selectable snooze time from 1 to 30 minutes. User selectable alarm duration from 1 to 59 minutes. Alarm and bed shaker test mode to test functions anytime. Improved battery backup for time and alarm settings up to 1 week. New Green Power technology uses 60% less energy. Dual power capability when using a standard travel adapter. 1-year Sonic Alert blast-proof warranty. Sleep well with the confidence of knowing you'll wake up on time. The Sonic Alert SB300SS alarm clock with super shaker bed